Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Gamesir X2 Bluetooth controller. First, power on your Gamesir X2 by pressing and holding the G button and the home button simultaneously for 2 seconds. You'll notice the LED indicator light flashing rapidly, which means it's in pairing mode. Next, make sure your mobile phone or tablet has its Bluetooth turned on and is set to be discoverable by other devices. This initial step is crucial for a smooth connection. Now, let's pair your device. Navigate to the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone or tablet. You should see Gamesir X2 Bluetooth appear in the list of available devices. Simply tap on this name to begin the pairing process. Once the connection is established, the LED indicator on your Gamesir X2 will change from flashing to a solid blue light, confirming a successful link. This usually takes just a few seconds. With your Gamesir X2 connected, you're ready to game. This versatile controller works seamlessly with both Android and iOS devices, offering broad compatibility. It supports numerous cloud gaming platforms and a vast library of native mobile games. Just slide your phone into the controller's adjustable clamp, ensuring a snug fit. You'll experience enhanced precision and comfort with its tactile buttons and responsive joysticks, making your gaming sessions much more immersive. Here are a few important tips for your Gamesir X2. The controller is equipped with a 500 mAh battery, providing ample power for long gaming sessions. When it's time to recharge, simply use the included USB-C cable. A full charge usually takes approximately 2 hours. Remember to disconnect the controller from your device and power it off when you're finished playing to help conserve battery life for your next adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.